There is a planet where it rains glass, sideways, at 4,500 miles per hour. But that is just one of the things out there. From the void that's eating the universe to the star that's older than time itself. Get ready. These are the 100 strangest space discoveries that defy logic. Let's go. Fact 2. HD 189733b is that nightmare planet raining glass we just mentioned. Fact 3. 55 Cancri E is made largely of diamond and is worth $26 million. Fact 4. Gliese 436b is a planet made of burning ice. Gravity keeps the ice solid, while 800-degree heat burns it. Fact 5. On Titan, Saturn's moon, you could fly by just flapping your arms, because the atmosphere is so thick and gravity is so low. Fact 6. Olympus Mons on Mars is 3 times the height of Everest. It is so wide that if you stood on the peak, you wouldn't even know you were on a mountain. Fact 7. Venus spins backward compared to every other planet. Fact 8. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Fact 9. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is shrinking. NASA thinks it might disappear in our lifetime. Fact 10. Saturn is the only planet that could float in a bathtub, if you had a big enough bathtub. Fact 11. Uranus spins on its side, rolling around the sun like a ball. Fact 12. Pluto has mountains made of water ice that are rock hard. Fact 13. Enceladus, Saturn's moon, shoots geysers of salty water into space that form one of Saturn's rings. Fact 14. Io is the most volcanic place in the solar system, constantly turning itself inside out. Fact 15. Europa likely has more water under its ice than all of Earth's oceans combined. Fact 16. Ganymede is the only moon with its own magnetic field. Fact 17. Hyperion, a moon of Saturn, is shaped like a sponge and has a chaotic rotation. We never know where its poles are facing. Fact 18. Iapetus has a massive ridge around its equator that makes it look like a walnut. Fact 19. Miranda, Uranus's moon, looks like it was smashed apart and glued back together wrong. Fact 20. There is a hexagon-shaped storm on Saturn's north pole that could fit 2 Earths inside it. Let's leave the solar system. Fact 22. The Boötes void is a region of space 330 million light-years wide. That is almost completely empty. If Earth were in the center, we wouldn't have known other stars existed until the 1960s. Fact 23. Rogue planets are drifting through the dark alone, without a sun. Billions of them are likely in our galaxy right now. Fact 24. Zombie stars are white dwarfs that survive a supernova explosion and keep burning. Fact 25. The Black Widow pulsar is eating its companion star alive. Fact 26. Hoag's object is a galaxy. Inside a galaxy. Inside a galaxy. Fact 27. Hani's Vorwerp is a green, ghostly space blob that is the echo of a dead quasar. Fact 28. Himiko cloud is a massive gas cloud from the early universe that should not exist according to current models. Fact 29. The Great Attractor is a gravity anomaly pulling our entire galaxy cluster towards it at 1.3 million miles per hour. And we can't see what it is. Fact 30. Dark flow suggests something outside the observable universe is pulling on galaxy clusters. Fact 31. Tabby's star dims erratically, leading some astronomers to briefly consider an alien Dyson sphere. Fact 32. Uy Scuti is a star so big that if placed in our solar system, it would engulf Jupiter. Fact 33. Stephenson 218 is even bigger, currently the largest star known to science. Fact 34. Vampire stars stay young by sucking hydrogen off their neighbors. Fact 35. Magnetars are neutron stars with magnetic fields so strong they would dissolve your atoms from 1,000 miles away. Fact 36. Starquakes on magnetars release more energy in 0.1 seconds than our sun does in 100,000 years. Fact 37. Ton 618 is the largest black hole found. It weighs 66 billion times more than the Sun. Fact 38. The Phoenix Cluster is a supermassive black hole giving birth to 700 stars a year. Fact 39. Sagittarius A, our galaxy's black hole, spins so fast it drags spacetime with it. Fact 40. Spaghettification is the official scientific term for what happens when a black hole stretches you into a noodle. Fact 41. NASA's James Webb Telescope spotted galaxies that formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. They are too big and too bright for current physics to explain. Fact 42. TRAPPIST-1 is a system with 7 Earth-sized planets packed so close, you could see the features of the next planet from the surface of another. Fact 43. Proxima Centauri b is the closest exoplanet to us and sits in the habitable zone. Fact 44. Kepler 22. b is a super-Earth likely covered entirely by a global ocean. Fact 45. K2141b has oceans of magma, rains rocks, and has supersonic winds. Fact 46. WASP-12b is being eaten by its star so fast it's shaped like a rugby ball. Fact 47. TRES-2b is the darkest planet ever found. It reflects less than 1% of light, making it blacker than coal. Fact 48. Kepler 16. b orbits 2 stars, like Tatooine from Star Wars. Fact 49. GJ504b is a young planet that is literally pink. Fact 50. Oumuamua was the first interstellar object detected passing through our solar system. It accelerated on its way out. Fact 51. Borisov was the second interstellar visitor, and it looked like a comet. Fact 52. NASA's DART mission successfully smashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to change its orbit. Fact 53. The Parker Solar Probe has touched the Sun, flying through the corona. Fact 54. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object, now in interstellar space. Fact 55. Voyager 1 carries a golden record with sounds of Earth for aliens to find. Fact 56. The pillars of creation captured by Webb shows stars being born in real time. Fact 57. Cosmic Reef is a massive nebula that looks like an undersea coral reef. Fact 58. The Fermi bubble consists of 2 massive radiation bubbles erupting from the center of the Milky Way. Fact 59. The cold spot is a large area of the cosmic microwave background that is inexplicably colder than everything else. Fact 60. Fast radio bursts are powerful radio pulses from deep space. We still don't know exactly what causes them. Fact 61. The Kuiper Belt Cliff is a sudden drop-off in space rocks beyond Pluto that scientists cannot explain. Fact 62. The Oort cloud is a massive shell of icy debris surrounding our solar system, extending nearly a light-year away. Fact 63. Haumea is a dwarf planet shaped like an egg because it spins so fast. Fact 64. Makemake is a dwarf planet covered in methane ice. Fact 65. Eris is a dwarf planet more massive than Pluto. Fact 66. Sedna takes 11,000 years to orbit the Sun and currently sits in the darkest part of the solar system. Fact 67. The Moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.5 inches per year. Fact 68. The Sun is getting hotter. In a billion years, it will boil Earth's oceans. Fact 69. The Andromeda Galaxy is rushing towards us at 70 miles per second. It will crash into the Milky Way in 4 billion years. Fact 70. The Milky Way is not flat. It is warped and twisted like a potato chip. Fact 71. There is a cloud of alcohol in Sagittarius B2 that contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Fact 72. Space is completely silent because sound has no medium to travel through. Fact 73. If 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond together. This is called cold welding. Fact 74. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Fact 75. A teaspoon of a neutron star weighs 6 billion tons. Fact 76. The footprints on the moon will stay there for millions of years because there is no wind to blow them away. Fact 77. 99% of our solar system's mass is the sun. Fact 78. You become taller in space because gravity isn't compressing your spine. Fact 79. There are floating water reservoirs in space. One holds 140 trillion times the water in Earth's oceans. Fact 80. Astronauts say space smells like seared steak and hot metal. Fact 81. Looking at the sky is looking back in time. The light you see left stars years ago. Fact 82. If the sun vanished, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Fact 83. Gravitational lensing means massive objects can bend light, creating a magnifying glass for the universe. Fact 84. Dark matter makes up 27% of the universe, but we can't see, touch, or detect it. Fact 85. Dark energy makes up 68% of the universe and is pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. Fact 86. Only 5% of the universe is made of normal matter, the stuff we can see. Fact 87. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Fact 88. This means there are galaxies we will never, ever be able to reach. Fact 89. Quantum entanglement suggests particles can communicate instantly across the universe. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Fact 90. Time dilation means near a black hole. Time moves significantly slower than on Earth. Fact 91. If you fell into a black hole, you might see the entire future of the universe play out in an instant. Fact 92. The Big Rip is a theory that dark energy will eventually tear every atom in the universe apart. Fact 93. Vacuum decay is a theory that a bubble of true vacuum could form and delete the universe at light speed, without warning. Fact 94. The multiverse theory suggests there are infinite bubbles of universes. And in one of them, you didn't click this video. Fact 95. Simulation theory. Some physicists argue there is a non-zero chance our universe is a computer simulation. Fact 96. We are made of stardust. Every atom in your body heavier than hydrogen was forged in a dying star. Fact 97. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. Fact 98. But most of space is just cold, dark, silence. Fact 99. The universe has no center. Everywhere is the center. Fact 100. And finally, Fact 100. We are likely the only ones looking. Despite all these planets, we have found zero evidence of life, which is either incredibly lonely or incredibly special. Which fact kept you up at night? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more space therapy. I'll see you in the cosmos.